Getchell Gold Corp is based in Nevada. We are spearheading our flagship project, the Fondaway Canyon Gold Project, which is a multi-million ounce deposit at surface in Nevada. The company focuses in Nevada because it's one of the best jurisdictions in the world. And not only that, it's the 8th in the world for gold production. And so this is a significant area, the area of elephants. And Fondaway Canyon is one of the more prominent growing gold projects in Nevada. The project is at the preliminary economic stage. So it's at the point where we've already defined an asset, so a real reasonable and large mineral resource estimate. But not only that, is we've applied an economic basis for it. And we've just published our preliminary economic asset assessment in February of 2025. And by far, the numbers are impressive. A high internal rate of return and a very significant net present value that basically impresses anybody who looks at the numbers. The preliminary economic assessment is based on a conventional open pit operation, 8,000 tons per day, and a conventional flotation plant producing a high grade concentrate, one that we can ship within 200 miles down the highway to about 6 refineries. So it's one of the best locations in the world. And the preliminary economic assessment took a look at, like the gold at surface, the geometry, the grade, and by far, everybody knows that grade is king. And the grade completely carries the economics by far. Looking at the numbers, 10.5-year mine life, and that's only using 65% of the known resources to date. And it came out with an internal rate of return of 50%, a net present value at a very conservative discount rate of 10% of $500 million. And one key aspect of that is the underlying gold price that this was based on was $2,250 gold. And we all know now that we're well than $1,000 past that mark. So by far, even the numbers that I'm saying today are obsolete, and you can double them. Looking at our milestones, what we've presented so far is very impressive. In combination of inferred and indicated resources, we're at 2.3 million ounces. So if you just equate the dollar value to that, it's astounding. But we're on the way. The next big milestone is working the Fondaway Canyon Gold Project to 3 million ounces. And that's a wonderful number to have in a major gold producing region. But we don't even really need 3 million ounces. We've shown that with just a fraction of that, this operation, or I should say potential future operation, is highly economic